Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Peter and this is a short video about a challenge I got from one of the viewers. So I got a message from Chris who saw my how to make a wheel for Thrustmaster video, asking me if it's possible to make a Ferrari 250 GTO wheel compatible with PlayStation 4. And this is because, as it turns out, due to the fact that this wheel has no buttons, it is not possible to use it with PlayStation. I don't own the console, nor the wheel, so this was quite an unusual project for me, to be honest. But I got all the pictures and dimensions I needed and designed this, what you can just see. So this is sort of like a mixture of my quick release adapter for the Thrustmaster add-on wheels and the custom wheel adapter as well, plus the extra two buttons that you can see on both sides. And these are set to emulate the PlayStation button and the X button on the PlayStation, which, from what I was told, is enough to get the wheel working on the console. And even though it was kind of like a blind design, it actually works. And here's the demo that Chris sent me.
Okay, here we have a 250 GTO Thrustmaster wheel. Typically this thing only works on PC. And I notice it does not work for the PlayStation 4. So with Peter, of Peter Makes Things, with his help, we've actually got it to work with the PlayStation 4. So first thing you have to note is we're able to make a quick release hub that fits. And if you notice, two buttons on the back, one here and the other one here, again all integrated, and a new Arduino board in there. It basically simulates one of these other wheels, but the two buttons that are represented here, one is the PS button and the other one is the X, basically enough just to initiate the wheel on the PlayStation. So I'll show you how it works, but again, excellent job by Peter. Okay. Okay, so to initiate, you push the PS button, which is on this side behind, brings that up, and then you push the X, and then your steering wheel is initiated, and that's it.
Yeah, so guys, if you'd like to have the 250 GTO wheel working with PlayStation, it can be done. Yay! Personally, I have no idea why Thrustmaster made it that their most expensive and premium wheel is compatible only with PC. But at least now it's no longer the case. So yeah, that's a good news, I guess, for some. And that's it for this video. Please consider subscribing if you liked it. And as always, have a great rest of the day. Bye!